All right, let's do some Mathity-Math. We got a lovely little story problem here, so let's read this story and see what's going on. It says, Malcolm wants to increase how many books he has read in his life. Okay? He has currently read 50 books. Not bad. He is determined, though, to triple the amount of books he has read. And it says every week he now reads 5 books. Wow. Okay, so he's either a really fast reader or reading very small books. But either way, good job, Malcolm. Reading is great. So let's just tell this story. So the party starts out, it says he's already read 50 books. Okay, I'm going to highlight that. Shoop. All right, he's already read 50 books. When I look at these problems, I kind of sometimes like to think in the realm of where I'm at and what I want. And see how those things can play together. So where he's at, well, right now he's got 50. Let me put that over here. Okay, that's how many he's already read. But then it says he's determined to triple the amount of books he's read. So this is what he wants. He wants to triple that. Well, if he's read 50, we want to triple it. 50 times 3 is 150. So what he wants is to get up to 150. Okay, so this is where he's at. This is where he wants to go. And you can kind of see this does kind of work like telling a story. He's on a journey. He's on a journey from 50, and his quest is to get to 150. And it says each week he reads 5 books. Okay, so that's kind of how his number goes up. So each week he's going to add 5 books. But the question is, how many weeks? Well, we don't know. We don't know how many weeks, right? So we don't know how many weeks, so we use a variable. And it says here we'll use the variable w. So I'm going to say, okay, 5w. And so this is where he's at, and this is where he wants to go. He wants this to become that. He wants those to be the same. And that's it. This right here, this equation tells the story. Started with 50 books. He reads 5 a week. I don't know how many weeks, so I left it as a W. But my goal is for it to become 150. And that's it. There you go. Building equations is a great skill. It's a great skill because then it lets us solve for W. We can handle that. So we want to get W all by itself. So I'll rewrite this so we're ready to go. 50 plus 5W is 150. So to get W alone, step 1, I subtract 50 from both sides. This is basic algebraic manipulation. Okay, that gives me 5W equals 100. Okay, now this W, again, we want this W all by itself, all alone, but it's not all alone because someone's hanging around. Let me give us a little more space here. And who's hanging around? That W is, that 5 is hanging around. We want W alone, but 5 won't go away. So 5 is here multiplying. To make it go away, we just do the opposite. And we need to balance our equation by doing the opposite on both sides. And then you should find that W equals 20. Okay, because 100 divided by 5 is 20. Now, before I box this up, I do think we should take a second to kind of check our answer. And we can check our answer by substituting this 20 back into our initial equation. So I can rewrite it like this. I'd just say 50 plus 5 times 20 is 150. 5 times 20 is 100. 50 plus 100 is 150. So I find that 150 is 150. And you know what? 150 is 150. That's totally true. It is. That's true. My math checks out. My answer is good. Boom, pow. We're done. Good job. Y'all did good math. As always, if you want to be notified when I make you more videos, just go ahead and subscribe so you'll get alerted. And if there's any problem you want to see, anything you want to practice, or a funny word problem you want me to write, just leave a comment below and I'll do my best to get it done. Thanks. Bye.